New type energy-saving induction water boiler. Saving at least 50% electricity for you. Heat farm machinery have adopted the technical core from Germany. This one is single phase of 220 volt. Wires from here to our induction water boiler. Now we check how to connect water. Cool water input from the boiler bottom. Go through the coil and then get hot water. Hot water output from the top. Operation Step 1. Power on. The color touch screen shows the data of timer, target temperature, actual temperature, heating and pump working, and so on. We can set the data at random according to our actual requests. It is a piece of cake if you follow our instruction manual for all installation and operation steps. It can be controlled by mobile phone if you connect to Wi-Fi.